Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Han and I'm back again with another amazing video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a Kali Linux GUI the easy way for absolutely free. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a Linux server for absolutely free. So as you can see right here, I have a Linux GUI. Okay, by default in most cases you're gonna find all Kali Linux operating system machines having only the terminal interface and they don't have this GUI. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this for absolutely free. All you need is a Google account and nothing else, and let's get into the video. So as you can see, it has the internet. We have the Firefox browser, the Google Chrome, then the system tools. It has the terminal, as you can see. So anything you want you can get it with this GUI. It's really easy to get, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get just this. So let's get into the video. Alright, so all you need is a Google account, like I said. So I'm going to be showing you in a second, and the platform that we are going to be using is called Google Cloud Platform. If you don't know what Google Cloud Platform is, it's essentially a Google Cloud hosting provider. Okay, from Google. It's hosted on the Google infrastructure and they host servers and everything for you. So all you need is just subscribe. And hey, wait a second, we are not going to subscribe to anything in this video. Everything is going to be absolutely free without paying any single coin. Okay, without paying any single coin, we are going to be getting everything for free. So as you can see, Google Cloud Platform offered by Google is a suite of cloud computing services that runs on the same infrastructure as Google uses internally for its end user products. So it's essentially the Google Cloud Platform. You can learn more about this. I'll leave a link down in the video description, but all you need is sign up for the Google Cloud Platform. It's going to be absolutely free, and if you want a serious hosting to get everything for absolutely free, they are offering you $300 credit to try out their cloud, so you can go with that. But in this video we are going to be using the Cloud Shell, and essentially what the Cloud Shell is, it's kind of an integrated terminal into your Google Cloud Console that gives you free access to Linux machines, to Kali Linux essentially, because this is Kali Linux by default. Alright, so if you've never used the Cloud Shell, it's gonna take a while. As you can see, provisioning your Cloud Shell machine, it's gonna take a while to get this set up, but once it's done it's going to be really easy. So as you can see, I've been using mine, so it has taken a little time, and I'll leave a link to this command down in the video description or in the comment section. I'll drop it in the comment section down below. First comment, and this is the command, and all you have to do is just hit enter. Let's see, port is already allocated. Let's change the port right here real quick to something. Let's change the port. You can change this port to anything you want. I'm just going to change it to 71, and I'll just hit enter, and that should install a couple stuff onto the Google Cloud. So I've already installed them. All I need to do is just go into the web preview tab and just type in the port and hit change and preview. Alright, so it's going to connect to a no VNC session, and I'm going to be able to use that Kali Linux machine that you guys saw earlier. In my case, I've not installed anything, but in your case you might install some stuff. It might take a while. As you can see, I'm back again into that Kali Linux session. As you can see, I can use pretty much anything I want to use, just like the Kali Linux GUI, but this is absolutely free. You aren't subscribed to any service from Google Cloud. All you need to do is just sign up with your Google account, paste in the command that I'll leave in the comment section, and everything is done. That easy peasy. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do let me know what you guys think down in the video description, and I'll see you in the next one.